The next awesome category that you can make a lot of money on Fiverr is acting. Always wanted to be an actor, something you always dreamed about and you never became one? This is exactly the opportunity for you to make it as an actor. You can't make it to Hollywood, you can definitely make it to Fiverr. So what I recommend for you to do, first off, of course, you gotta create a video. They want to see how good you act on camera. If you're not going to put the video there, you're not going to get that many people to actually buy your gig. As you can see, there is 4 people who are buying this gig, and this gig doesn't have any video. This one, as you can see, there is a video here. It's only getting 1. This one, 238. That's pretty good. 62 for that one. So of course, the hot female on the front picture definitely is getting her a lot extra gigs. So that is a pretty good necessity if, of course, you have and you are a female. If you're not and you're a male, you can do this as well. That's not really gonna go against you. As you can see, this guy is a male right here. He's getting 238 different gigs. Here's another one. He's getting 188 different gigs. The thing is about getting this kind of jobs, you have to be able to first off have a very nice image of yourself to put in here. This is why this guy is getting a bunch of gigs for acting. Another one is he wrote a description exactly what he is giving out. So his picture actually gets him a lot of jobs. And this is the funny thing, he doesn't even have a video for his particular gig. So it's totally possible for you to get jobs without even having a video sample. But I highly recommend for you to go to the next level. I mean, why not? Why not go to the next level and create an extra video of you talking on camera and showing how good you are and why somebody should hire you. This is what's going to separate you who is just doing okay on Fiverr from somebody who is doing a lot of jobs on Fiverr and getting paid every single week.